You ever get back from a vacation and, I don't know, feel like something was missing? Like you had a great time, but you wanted something more? Well, what if your vacation could be more than just a getaway? What if it could be an adventure with a real purpose? That's what we're going to dive into.
Look, we all love getting that perfect vacation photo, right? But what if your trip could do more? What if you could actually make the place you're visiting even more beautiful? What if you could connect with a destination on a totally different level? That's the big idea we're exploring. So what we're talking about is flipping the script on your holiday. It's about blending the thrill of exploring a new place with the incredible feeling you get from giving something back. And here's the key. You're not giving up any of the fun. You're actually adding a whole new layer of meaning to it.
Okay, so this whole idea has a name and it's really starting to catch on. It's often called voluntourism, and honestly, it's changing the game for how people think about their time off.
So what does that actually mean? Well, at its core, it's super simple. You travel and you volunteer. It's the difference between just snapping a picture of a gorgeous beach and maybe spending an hour helping to keep it that way. You get to be a part of the place, not just a visitor looking in.
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds great, but it must be a huge hassle to set up, right? Well, you'd be surprised. It's actually way more straightforward than you might think. Let's break down just how easy it is.
It really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you pick out a private tour that fits your schedule. Then you just set aside a tiny piece of that day. We're talking just an hour and a half for a hands-on service project. And here's the best part. You make a real, tangible impact, and you actually get a discount for doing it. How cool is that?
So what kind of stuff are we talking about here? This isn't just busy work. We're talking about real, hands-on activities. One minute, you could be on a beautiful beach helping protect it, and the next, you could be in a forest planting native trees that are vital for the ecosystem. You can literally see the difference you're making right then and there.
And the other great thing is the flexibility. Whether you've got a whole day to burn or just a free afternoon, there's an option for you. What's really important to remember is that this whole thing is built around you, your family, your schedule, and what you want to do.
Right, so you might be wondering, how much of a difference can one person really make in a short time? Well, it turns out these small efforts add up to some seriously positive effects for the local community and the environment. Okay, get this. This is a pretty mind-blowing fact. By planting just one native tree, you can actually cancel out the carbon footprint of your entire vacation. I mean, the flights, the hotel, everything. That's just, wow. It's an unbelievably powerful and simple way to make your travel matter. And hey, don't worry, this isn't some back-breaking labor that requires special skills. These activities are made to be safe and fun for everybody, including kids. It's actually a perfect family activity, A great way to show your kids what it means to care for a place and to work together to leave it even more beautiful than you found it.
Okay, so we've covered the impact you can have on the destination. But what about what's in it for you? This is where it gets really interesting because it's a total win-win. Let's just cut to the chase. The most immediate, obvious benefit? You save some serious cash. By adding that one little service stop to your day, you can get a discount of anywhere from $100 to $300. I mean, that's a nice chunk of change to put toward dinners or souvenirs, right? And remember what it takes to get that 100, 200, even $300 off your tour? Just an hour and a half. That's it. Think about it. For less time than it takes to watch a movie, you do something great for the planet and get a huge discount. That's an amazing deal. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Look at what other travelers are saying. When you see someone mention respect for the Aina, which is the Hawaiian word for the land, and it's a really deep, culturally important concept, you know this isn't just some gimmick. It's the real deal. But it's so important to remember this. That hour and a half of service is just one part of a day that is totally 100% yours to create. So what does the rest of your adventure look like? Because the rest of your day, it's all about pure adventure. Maybe you're diving into those incredible blue waters, getting face-to-face with some amazing tropical fish. Or hey, maybe you're more into a chill vibe. You could be peacefully paddling down a calm island river, just soaking in all that incredible scenery. And you just might have one of those moments that you'll never forget, like spotting a majestic sea turtle just gliding through the water. Absolutely magical. But really, when it comes down to it, it's all about this: creating memories together. I mean, come on, a rainbow? These are the moments that become family legends, the stories you'll be telling for years.
So here's the takeaway. This is your day. Completely private, totally custom. If you love food, if you love hiking, if you just want to find the most secluded beaches, it's all designed around you. The service stop is just one awesome, meaningful piece of your perfect, personalized day. So that really brings us back to the big question. When you see that you can have this amazing adventure, make these incredible memories, have a real positive impact, and save money doing it, well, it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? How will you choose to travel?